Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the Delicious Kitchen. Today I'm showing you the best way to preserve your meat to get it ready for anything you want to cook with them. Let's get it started. What I have here in the pot are the meats I'm cooking today. I have beef, I have tripe, which we call shaki, and I also have soup chicken inside. Here I'll be blending onions and garlic together. If you love to add fresh ginger, add it into it, add a bit of water and get it blended. Look at the paste we have. Here we have onion and garlic paste. I'm going to use it later. Back to the meat. So into it now, I'm going to add salt. After adding salt into it, I'm going to go straight ahead and add my seasoning. You can use Knorr, you can use Maggi, use any seasoning of your choice. All right, so into it now, I'm going to add curry, thyme, oregano, ginger powder, and all-purpose seasoning like adobo. That's what I have there. Now I'm going to pour everything into it. At this stage, please don't add water into the meat. That will be happening much later. But it's now time to add the paste we prepared at the beginning, the onion and garlic paste. That is what I'm pouring into it. As you can see, I was really generous with the onions, and that is very good. I'm going to cover it and allow it to start boiling in its own juice. You can see what I have here. After cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes in its own juice, I gave it a good mix together. I allow the one at the bottom of the pot to come up, and those ones at the top to go down. Okay, so it's now time to add a bit of water. Please don't add too much of water so that you have super meat stock at the end of the day. I will use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Newcomers, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Now I covered and allow it to cook. I will be opening it occasionally and stir together, that I will allow the down one to come up, the ones at up top to go down, so that everything will be well cooked. And this will prevent it from getting burnt. Okay, so this is how I'm going to cook it until it gets tender to the stage that I love it. If you want your meat tough, then let it be 90 to 95% cooked, okay? And then take them out of the meat stock. You can see that meat stock we have here. The aroma is super. The meats are yummy, very, very delicious. At this stage, if you love to cook your stew direct with this boiled meat, it is ready. Or you want to freeze part of it so that anytime you need them, you can bring them out. And if you love, you can fry part of it in oil, like vegetable oil. But this very one that you can see here, I'm going to fry it without oil. Okay, if you love this method, let me show you how I did that. I'm going to use my air fryer. Yes, air fryer is going to fry this without oil. So I placed everything into the air fryer. I don't overcrowd it. Please don't overcrowd your air fryer. Set it to 200 centigrade and allow it to fry it for good 13 minutes. Lovelies, you are going to love what you're going to have. Let me show you. It's going to come out perfect. And at this stage, you can just get your nylon, get them freezed, and whenever you're ready to cook, boil your tomatoes, add them, and voila, it is done.